So today we would be talking about some of the most important topics for your paper 1. Now with last 30 days left with you, it's difficult to focus on each and every topic. So what we have is a quick summary and a list of topics that you have to go through. Now here what we have is all the number of questions that are available for each of the topics. So what you actually have to do is simply select the topic that you want to prepare and go to the questions. Once you go to the questions, you would have all the questions for free, including the past paper, so you can just practice those questions. Practice, as I said, is very important. So let's go through the first set of topics here. Now here, teaching aptitude is usually a simple topic. If you apply the scenario to yourself as a teacher, not as a student, then you would be able to answer this section very easily. Then for students having decent English, you would have comprehension. That would be very easy. No need to practice a lot of it. At least do 5 to 10 passages to get an idea of what kind of questions come in. Means of communication, mass communication is a direct topic. So if you have a little knowledge, you can score very good on the sections on communication. So communication is a topic I would recommend that you definitely do it. For those students who are weak in mathematics, numerical aptitude, number series, comprehension, algebra, financial problems are some of the important topics. Every time in the recent pattern, we have seen at least one question either on simple interest or compound interest. So cover these topics carefully. Now, what we would do is we'll simply go to one of these topics. So let's say I move on to the topics in number series. So when you click on to questions, you would have the various questions that are there. So what you have to do is you have to simply go to the questions and try to solve those. Most of the questions you should be able to solve by yourself, and as I recommend, just to have an idea about what kind of questions come in. So let's say this question says that this question was asked in June and it appeared in 2014. So it mentions 2014 June question that was there. So similar to this, you have another question from 2014 December, and so on and so forth. So that is how you actually solve these questions. Now the next important section that we would focus on is the visual diagrams, the questions related to abstract reasoning. Now when it's abstract reasoning, it's simply the diagrammatic questions that are there. So here you have questions like finding how many triangles are there, finding out the correct sequence, and so on. Okay, so that is a kind of very basic questions, very scoring, I would say. The next important section that you need to understand is logical reasoning. Now this logical reasoning includes all the subsections. Subsections means the Indian logic, the sections on Praman, then you have the square of opposition, Western logic, fallacies, Hitvabhas. So all those topics are covered under logical reasoning. Cover this topic very carefully. Lot of questions are asked from this topic every time. Now questions related to geography, environment and natural hazards are basically related to current happening. This time you had lots and lots of issues related to numerous earthquakes across India. So earthquake tremors across India. So earthquake becomes an important topic this time. Similarly, locust attack was another important topic this time. So you have couple of topics that are there which are obviously very important. Computers, you usually have acronyms that are asked. So if you go on to again the computers section, you would see what kind of questions are asked in. So what is a kind of standard web server, a standard way for the web server to pass a request to an application, or which is different from the remaining three? What are IP address, MAC address, what is a multimedia? So those are kind of simple questions that are asked from the computing section. Okay, and then you have the questions related to education, governance and politics. Now education, governance and polity is an important section. The recent syllabus merges this topic with the education. However, in the last December 2019 paper, we have seen questions were there from political science. So don't ignore political science. At least you should have a basic understanding of class 6 to 10th NCRTs for political science. Education is important. This time national education policy, the various schemes like Vidyadan, the e-Pathshala and the various portals, the national repository, the educational repository that we have covered separately are very important. So what I would recommend technically is you can cover those topics, practice those questions there, and then simply go back to the channel for YouTube, and you can in the search box you can search net playlist. So you would have one compiled playlist which would have nearly 466 videos that are there. Okay, and then you would have unit wise playlist. So if you are weak in certain playlists, you can go on to the specific playlist. Let's say you want to practice only and only higher education, so you are free to go to the higher education section, practice all the 64 videos including the latest one that have been scheduled. Similarly, we have another very important playlist, which is this one, that is the expected questions. Now expected questions, you have 62 videos that are there as of now, and all these 62 videos are most important developments in the field of education and environment, along with computers, that are commonly asked as an important topic for your net examination. So go to these playlists and cover these videos very carefully, most important. And every time students have a specific edge who have prepared our expected questions, so many of the expected questions are part of your question paper, so cover these very carefully. I repeat, very carefully. Questions like CBCS is a kind of perfect question that you would have. So a very direct and a very applicative, very conceptual question. So as I said, you have all these resources, and then we also have the resources for different subjects. So students preparing with different subjects have their playlist here. So what you have to do is, you in the YouTube you can search exam race, and within the exam race you again have a search option. So here you can search the NTA playlist option, and once you search the NTA playlist option, you would have the various playlists that would be given here. Okay, so that's how you would start your preparation. We would be coming up with a weekly series of important questions, practice questions for you every morning 11:30. So stay tuned for many more updates from our side. For your preparation, we are always there with you. If you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to connect to us back. Have a wonderful day ahead.